was just a block away from the Reading Terminal Market, and I thought the signage looked really good from here. I don't know if the viewfinder display on my GoPro can see it as well as I can in person, but I wanted to catch that shot as I came around the Hilton Marriott here. I'm sure it's Hilton. I get the Hyatt and the Hilton's mixed up all the time. But Reading Terminal Market just ahead, a really popular tourist area here in Philadelphia. The convention center is right here. Parking for the convention center, the hotel convention center. Oh, go around here. So this is where you can park. If you stay here at the convention center, just go through. And nice and dry over here. And I can hear more music over in this vicinity towards Maggiano's. I don't know who else has a Christmas display going. They probably do over there. Reading Terminal Market. It's closed for the night, I believe. Almost certain on Sundays by 5 o'clock, 5 or 6 they're done. They used to not even be open on Sundays. I think that was it. It was either Sundays and or Mondays. Then they finally opened it just because the crowds were demanding. You can get your trolley tours here in Philly. They're usually around 36, at least for the big bus. The big bus tours I think are around 36 starting out. I don't know, some people might have specials through special agencies or travel groups. Wow, it's really pouring rain all of a sudden. It wasn't, it had slowed down all day. It was raining, and I was like, maybe I'll head out now for the lights. And you know, it's kind of, let me sort of get this really quick. Pouring. Here, we'll go under the tunnel and hopefully it'll slow down a little bit. We'll come on through here. Whew. So there were people out there who didn't even have umbrellas because everyone felt pretty confident that the rain had stopped. That it was going to be a little rain, but Down Home Diner, there's the other sign. We'll check out Reading Terminal over here. So this is a great place to come for produce, down home cooking. Rachel Ray did a special show here featuring the Down Home Diner many years ago. It's still open, right? In my mind it would have been closed already. I'm thinking back in the day it wasn't even open. So should we walk through? Since it's raining, we'll kind of walk through. And let me sort of do this really quick. Get my umbrella down there. We'll do a quick walk through. Just a quick one since it's such a wreck out there. Zigzag through. Sweet Nina's. So most people are probably starting to wrap it up. Butcher's Pantry, there's Iovines, a great place to get produce. I've been here many times to get good kale and so forth and so on. They even have pressed juices that you can get. Sparrows with some cotton candy. And I wonder if you could just see it being spun and everything maybe. You know, in my mind it's closing time, but it is the holiday time period. Happy Hanukkah. Flying Monkey, yummy yums. Cheese steaks, that's really regular. Kensington food up here. Preserves, jams, so forth and so on. Some people have closed up already, or they might not have come in. It depends. The Amish will come in here and kind of do their thing as well, and they don't show up on Sundays, I think. So there's just you know. Is that amazing? Gingerbread land. I want to make one of these. It's been like many years. I think in school we made them, but maybe once when I got older. Yeah, we can piece them apart. Of course, I tend to eat, in a healthy way, so this doesn't really fit the non-GMO. Plus you get all non-GMO ingredients. Look at all that yummy stuff. These for 12. Sweet teas, they take EBT here. I wanted to do like an aerial view, almost like as if you had a drone, right? Little gingerbread village.